Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. So guys, today I am in the field. So actually the thing is that these are not my field, but I have come here to graze my buffaloes. But today you can't see my buffaloes behind me because my buffaloes are there. Actually I will show you, but let me tell you one thing. Actually some of my viewers, they just ask me, sir, why do you graze buffaloes? Actually the thing is that if you live in village area, so you must have this idea that okay, no matter what you do, no matter you can speak English, no matter you can do anything, but you have to do those work which you are supposed to do. So actually the thing is that uh, in my family I'm the person who is supposed to do all the work like grazing buffaloes and taking care of field. Though I don't have my own field, I work in someone else's field because I don't have any field here, and even earlier I didn't have any home. Actually the thing is that there is a like a sad story behind it. This story belongs to my dad. So my dad, when my dad was I think 15 years old, then then my dad came here and he started doing hard work, and he got a job as a laborer and he earned some money. Then the landlord of this village gave a piece of land to my dad, and my dad built a small house. Then my father, he got married, and he got married. Then my brother and I, we were born here, and we didn't have anything to eat. We were facing so many difficulties and so many things. So since my father was uneducated, my mother was uneducated, and we were not mature to earn money. My father, he did hard work in his life, though he was uneducated. However, he did hard work in his life. He built a small house and he saved some money, and he tried to make us educated, but we failed because being in village area, it's really very difficult to get a good education. Nowadays, yeah, nowadays you can see, like you can find so many facilities, with the help of you can become anything. It's easy, but earlier it was not easy, guys. Then my father started doing hard work, like like he took some land and he started doing farming uh, in someone else's farm, and he started growing some grain. So by this way, still we work someone else's in someone else's farm. Actually the thing is that my father, he can't buy any land here. It's too expensive because we are living in Lucknow. So if I talk about Lucknow city, so it is 20 kilometers far from my village. So here every villager like has their own field. They are happy, but yeah, we don't have. So yeah, I don't care whether I have or not. Actually no, I'm happy with my life no matter whether we have so many things or not. Yeah, but I appreciate that yes, now we are surviving. So I have learned so many things from my life, and I have seen so many people struggling, fighting with their life. And yes, if you are genuine person, so of course you will get success one day. So this is, so yeah, I wanted to tell you that I am in this field and I can show you a wheat crop. So nowadays a wheat crop is being grown, and it's a lovely weather today. It's sunny weather. In the morning it was cold weather, it was horrible weather. So Today I got up late in the morning due to bad weather, and after that I got up, then I got fresh, then I took breakfast. Actually, in village area, uh, for breakfast you must be thinking that okay, for breakfast you must have so many things, but no. In breakfast we have only tea, and if you have some money, so you can buy some biscuit and some bread packet with your money, then you can eat. So it's a really very difficult. So I always, most of the time, I just take tea, only take tea, not with biscuit and bread. Yeah, so sometimes my brother, he buys, so he shares bread and biscuit, then I can eat. So we just wait. Whenever we are given tea, so we wait that okay, today who is going to buy biscuit and bread. So it's so if suppose my brother is going to buy, so we get happy, oh, now we are going to like eat bread with tea. And sometimes it's happened that nobody buys, so it's okay. At that time we have to like drink tea, like there is no option, so it happens. So for breakfast we take tea. And so today after taking tea, I went outside and I saw there was no one in my neighborhood because it was too much cold. Then anyhow, I just took a shower, and after taking a shower, I took lunch, and then I went to my villager, and we came here like with our animals, and our animals are in the premises. Actually, actually there is no grass outside this premises, so that is why we decided to close all the animals in the premises, and my all the animals in the premises. So I'm going to show some more things. So please come. So please come. So actually my uh, camera person is saying that no, don't go anywhere. Actually, he is tired a little bit today. He's So guys, so I can show you some more things, like see, some plantings are here. So many people are trying to build house here because it's near Lucknow city. So that is why nowadays you can see people are selling their field and farm. And earlier we had so many crops in the village, wheat crop, paddy crop, potato crop, and so many things, vegetables. But nowadays, less people do farming. Actually, they are selling their field in order to become rich. So guys, it's a really very bad idea because you are selling your field and so many things. Uh, so yeah, but they have their own field, so they are doing. So let them do. What can we do? So guys, so earlier like wheat and crop and so many vegetables were being grown here, but nowadays can you see some plantings? So I would like to say here one thing, that wow, like what a lovely place. Can you see this kind of place in city area? People say that I love city because they have so many facilities, and they can buy anything, they can get anything. And in village area, yeah, it's a reality that we don't have any facilities. Nowadays, yeah, we have so many facilities. I can't say that we don't have facilities, but yeah, we have facilities. And the biggest thing is that we have a lovely nature. We are getting a fresh uh, air and good environment, direct sun. So it's a lovely. We are getting. अब कहाँ चला है?
जल्दी का
Now I have to tie my laces. Sometimes it's untied by itself. So can you see? Recently, one house has been built, and so many houses are being built. They are on. So great. Now I am going to show you my buffaloes. That in, at the beginning I told you that I will show my buffaloes and animals. So okay, I would like to request my camera person to show my animals. So guys, now I am going to show you my animals. Seeing my animals, you will uh, you will feel sad. I must say that they are only standing in these premises. They don't have anything to graze. They are just wandering hither and thither. They are waiting. They are waiting for us to let them go outside to graze. But we can't let them go outside because it's really very difficult. Outside I have shown you that wheat crops is being grown. So guys, this is all about this vlog video. If you like, please subscribe, and I will make so many videos like this so that you can also speak like this in English, so that you can also speak in English, because until you create habit, it's really very difficult to speak this language. Being alone, you can do hard work only, but if you are not speaking, so it's really very difficult, guys. So thank you so much. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.